Hi, we are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow aiming to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Have you ever been in the middle of something and suddenly your device freezes, your Wi-Fi drops, or nothing works the way that it should? You are not alone. And today we'll be breaking down the easiest and most reliable troubleshooting tips that can fix your tech problems in just minutes. We'll cover real life practical techniques that you can use right away in order to restart your devices properly, check your internet connection, update your software, and get help when you need it. Step 1. Restart. Your most powerful fix. Believe it or not, restarting your device, also known as a power cycle, solves more problems than any other method. It clears temporary files, resets your system's memory, and gives your hardware and apps a fresh start. Restart before anything else, always. If apps start crashing, if your device keeps on freezing, or your internet connection stops responding, restart before anything else. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Next up, internet issues. Slow or no internet can come from your device, your router, or your network provider. Let's walk through simple steps to fix this. On your computer, on Mac in this instance, but this could also work on Windows, go to the Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar, check the connection strength, and toggle Wi-Fi on and off. On your phone, go to settings, that is the wheel icon, go to Wi-Fi, toggle that off and on, and you may also need to select your network again, just so you know. And if none of that works, go to your Wi-Fi router, turn it off, wait 10 seconds, plug it back in again or turn on, and wait for the lights to return. A simple router restart can fix most of your connection issues. Need help developing your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our staff for more personalized support. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Link is in the description below. Step 3. Keep everything updated. Updates help patch security issues, fix bugs, improve speed, and keeps apps running smoothly. Let's go through some software updates on popular devices. On Mac, and this goes for a PC as well, go to settings, that's the wheel icon, software updates, and it will actually check for updates for you that are available on the device. If there aren't any, it will say your device is up to date. And if there is an update available, simply click Updates Now. For phone, go to Settings again, Software Updates, and it will just check for you if there are updates available or your device is up to date. If apps aren't working, updates can help solve those issues instantly and keep them running smoothly. Simply go to the Play Store, type the app that you're experiencing the most issues with, and again it will tell you whether it is up to date, and if it needs update, simply click Update Now. Step 4. Know where to get help. Sometimes in life, we all need that extra support, and that's okay. Here's where to look. On Mac, go to the taskbar, get help, type the issue you're having, and select the one that relates most to your issues. For phone, go to settings, the wheel icon again, type tips and supports, click on that, and you will get further support from there. There are also online support communities you can go to. For example, online manufacturer support, forums with verified answers, and YouTube tutorials like this one. If your device won't turn on, makes unusual noises, behaves abnormally, or overheats, please contact a professional so you don't burn your house down. Have you ever solved an issue using one of these steps? Or have you ever learned a new digital skill from one of our programs? Share your story in the comments below. We love hearing how our community is growing and learning together. Get in touch with our staff for more personalised support. Check our website out in the description below. Learn in-demand skills like coding basics, social media marketing, and more with our free and paid online courses. Our digital products are both informative and educational ebooks, website templates, designing elements, books, and more. Link is in the description below. Help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Like and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and in-depth tutorials, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload from One Connect. Thanks for watching.